أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Honorable Rector of the Ark Masjid Institution, Mohtaram Rustum Sheikh Aliyo, distinguished guests on the dais, my friend Mr. Abdul Malik, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor for me that you have invited me and you honored me by inviting to attend this conference and speak a few words. I wish to congratulate you that you are doing and your institution is making great efforts in the field of disseminating the knowledge of religious sciences and ethical and moral education. I wish you a great success and the blessings of Allah for all such endeavors and efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, ever since the days of the emergence of Islam among the Tatars, the cultural history of the peoples of this region has been almost and significantly free from bigotry, zealotry, and religious intolerance. All the religious groups of this geographical region, Christians, Muslims, and others, have been great advocates and exponents of religious tolerance and horizontal humanist values. The instances of such tolerance and such attitude have been explained by me in the detailed paper that I have written for this conference, which I have already submitted to the organizers. Keeping in view the paucity of time, let me only say that today, when the discourse of forging harmonious relations among different faiths of the world is assuming enormous importance in the face of the perceived menace of the clash of civilizations and the rising tide of the religious extremism in many parts of the globe, I think holding of conferences and organizing such symposia aiming at fostering and encouraging the civilizational synthesis, cultural assimilation, religious tolerance, coexistence, and harmony becomes of utmost importance. More so, in the wake of great cultural polarizations and ideological disagreements, we need to revisit the glorious past and the period of the Christian-Muslim harmonious relations and to probe the dynamics operating behind the humanist ethos of the Tatars of the Golden Horde period in particular. Such a study may not only help in cementing the bonds of the two faiths, but it would at the same time disprove the myth of the clash of civilizations by bringing to memory the proverbial harmonious past of two great cultures, Christianity and Islam, in the Volga-Ural region among the peoples known to the world as Tatars. Thank you very much.